Welcome back to the Turbo Classic Cars. Listen closely, because this is not just another luxury SUV story. This is about how the 2026 BMW X7 quietly proves that size, power and intelligence can coexist without shouting. The moment you see it, you already know this SUV isn't trying to impress you. It expects you to understand it. The 2026 BMW X7 carries forward BMW's flagship SUV identity. But this year it feels more mature, more confident and far more refined. The front design is bold without being aggressive, with a sculpted grille that feels intentional rather than oversized. The split LED lighting is sharper now, cleaner in execution, and gives the X7 a calm but commanding presence on the road. This is the kind of SUV that doesn't race for attention. It owns the lane naturally. From the side, the proportions are perfectly balanced. Despite its large footprint, the X7 never looks bulky. The long wheelbase, flowing shoulder line, and premium alloy wheels give it an executive stance. It feels just as comfortable pulling up to a 5-star hotel as it does cruising through an empty highway at night. The rear design is simple and elegant, with slim LED taillights and subtle chrome accents that reinforce its luxury-first approach. Step inside, and this is where the 2026 BMW X7 truly separates itself. The cabin feels less like a car interior and more like a modern luxury lounge. High-quality leather, open-pore wood trims, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting all work together to create an environment that feels calm, expensive, and thoughtfully designed. Everything you touch feels solid, cool, and premium. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's latest curved display setup, blending the digital instrument, cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless visual experience. The interface is fast, intuitive, and customizable, allowing drivers to prioritize performance data, navigation, or comfort features with ease. Voice commands are smarter now, responding more naturally, making daily driving smoother and less distracting. Seating comfort is where the X7 quietly flexes its muscles. The front seats are wide, supportive, and endlessly adjustable, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions available. Long drives feel effortless. The second row offers either captain's chairs or a bench, and both options deliver limousine-level comfort. Even the third row, often an afterthought in many SUVs, is genuinely usable here, making the X7 a true 7-seater luxury SUV, not just on paper. Space is generous everywhere. Legroom, headroom, shoulder room, it's all abundant. Cargo space remains impressive even with all seats in place. And when the rear rows are folded, the X7 transforms into a luxury cargo carrier without losing its premium feel. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X7 continues to offer multiple powertrain options, catering to different driving personalities. The base turbocharged inline-6 delivers smooth, refined power with excellent balance between performance and efficiency. Acceleration is effortless and highway cruising feels relaxed and quiet. For those who crave more muscle, the V8 variant transforms the X7 into a performance beast, delivering thrilling acceleration while still maintaining luxury composure. Power delivery is smooth and controlled, paired with BMW's intelligent all-wheel drive system that adapts seamlessly to road conditions. Whether you're dealing with rain, snow, or rough terrain, the X7 remains stable and confident. This is not an off-road focused SUV, but it handles light off-road duties with surprising ease thanks to adjustable air suspension and multiple drive modes. On the road, the 2026 X7 feels remarkably agile for its size. Steering is precise, body roll is well controlled, and the ride quality is exceptionally smooth. In comfort mode, it glides over imperfections like a luxury sedan. Switch to sport mode and it tightens up, reminding you that this is still very much a BMW at heart. Noise insulation is excellent. Wind, road, and engine noise are kept outside, creating a quiet, relaxing cabin even at high speeds. This makes the X7 ideal for long-distance travel, family road trips, or simply enjoying music through the premium sound system, which delivers crisp highs and deep bass without distortion. Safety and technology are taken seriously here. The 2026 BMW X7 is loaded with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and advanced parking assistance. These systems work smoothly in the background, enhancing safety without feeling intrusive or overly sensitive. Now let's talk numbers, because luxury always comes with a price. The 2026 BMW X7 is expected to start around $5,000 for the base model, while higher trims and V8 variants can easily cross the $110,000 mark depending on options and packages. Yes, it's expensive, but in return, you're getting one of the most complete luxury SUV experiences on the market today. The real beauty of the 2026 BMW X7 is how balanced it feels. It doesn't chase extreme performance like some rivals, nor does it lean too heavily into flashy design. Instead, it focuses on refinement, comfort, technology, and everyday usability, qualities that matter more the longer you live with the car. This SUV is built for people who value presence without arrogance, performance without drama, and luxury without excess. It's for those who want a vehicle that adapts effortlessly to business meetings, family duties, and weekend escapes, all without compromising its identity. So the question isn't whether the 2026 BMW X7 is good. The real question is whether you're ready for a luxury SUV that understands your lifestyle. Before you even explain it,